our third term, class 4 maths, unit 1. Your unit 1 is metric measures. Unit 1 is metric measures. In this unit we are going to study how to convert higher units to lower units and lower units to higher units. Listen here. Let us see the one word. See, fill in the blanks. First question, 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Suppose they will give 3 meter. So 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. Similarly, 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. Next, second question. 1 kilometer is equal to dash meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Similarly, 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 meter. 3 kilometer is equal to 3000 meter. Okay. Third question. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Similarly, 2 gram is equal to 2000 milligram. Okay. Next, fourth question. 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Similarly, they will give 2 kilogram or 3 kilogram. 2 kilogram is equal to 2000 gram or 3 kilogram is equal to 3000 gram. Okay. 4 kilogram is equal to 4000 gram. See the fifth question. 1 liter, L denotes liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Similarly, 3 liter is equal to 3000 milliliter. Next, sixth question, 1 kiloliter. KL means kiloliter. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. Similarly, 2 kiloliter means 2000 kiloliter. 3 kiloliter means 3000 liter. 4 kiloliter means 4000 liter. Next, seventh question, 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to dash meter, 1000 meter. Similarly, 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 meter. 5 kilometer is equal to 5000 meter. Okay, children. Next, we see the exercise sum. So, exercise 1. We are going to convert higher units into lower units. Higher units into lower units. See here. A question. Convert into meters. Convert into meters. First question. So we have to convert this kilometer into meter. Okay. So given question is 5 kilometer 37 meter. 5 kilometer 37 meter. So 5 we are going to convert this 5 kilometer into meter. Here already 37 meters here. So you keep it same. Okay. So you all know solution. You all know that 1 kilometer is equal to dash meter. So you all know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Similarly, 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 meter. Here 5 kilometer is equal to 5000 meter. Okay. So therefore, you write the given question 5 kilometer 37 meter, that is equal to, we have convert 5 kilometer is equal to 5000 meter. So you write 5000 meter for 5 kilometer plus you add 37 meter. Okay. So already 37 it is in meter. So you keep it same. So 37 meter. Now you add 5000 plus 37, that is 5037 meter. This is your answer. Okay children, once again I repeat, we have to convert into meters. So the given question is kilometer, 5 kilometer 37 meter. We have to convert this 5 kilometer into meter. So you all know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Similarly, 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 meter. like this, 5 kilometer is equal to 5000 meter. So you write 5 kilometer is equal to 5000 meter. You add plus 37 meter. So 5000 meter plus 37 meter is equal to 5037 meter. Okay, so then this is your first question. See the second question. 13 kilometer 110 meter. We have to convert this 13 kilometer into meter. Okay, so solution. So you write the formula 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Similarly, 13 kilometer is equal to 13,000 meter. Okay, so 11 kilometer is equal to 11,000 meter. 13 kilometer is equal to 13,000 meter. Now you write the given question. 13 kilometer 110 meter, that is equal to, you write 13 kilometer for, you write 13 kilometer is equal to 13,000 meter plus you add 110 meter, that is equal to 13,110 meter is your answer. So 13 kilometer is equal to 13,000 meter. அது கூட already 110 meter கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So 13 kilometer கூட 110 meter add பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா you will get 13 கட் பண்ணுங்க. So 13 kilometer 110 meter. So 13 kilometer என்ன எழுதணும் 13,000 meter plus கூட 110 meter add பண்ணா you will get 13,110 meter. Okay, see the next sum. B, convert into grams. Convert into grams. See the question, first question. 26 kilogram. 26 kilogram. So solution, you all know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. Similarly, 26 kilogram is equal to 26,000 gram. This is your answer. Okay. So 2 kilogram is equal to 2000. 3 kilogram is equal to 3000 gram. Similarly, 26 kilogram is equal to 26,000 gram. See the second question. 12 gram, 25 gram. So we have to convert this 12 kilogram into gram. So for this solution, so you all know 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Similarly, 12 kilogram is equal to 12,000 gram. So next step, you write the given question. 12 kilogram 25 gram is equal to, you write 12 kilogram is equal to 12,000 gram. 12,000 gram. So you plus you add 25 gram. That is equal to 12,025 gram is the answer. So 12 kilogram gram எப்படி பண்ணோம் 12,000 gram plus you add 25 gram. So you will get 12,025 gram. Let us see the another sum. Next we see some convert into liters. Convert into liters. Listen here. You have to convert 42 kiloliter into liter. So for the given question is 42 kiloliter 5 liter. So solution. So you all know 1 kiloliter. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. So therefore the given question is 42 kiloliter. That is equal to 42,000 liter. Okay, next step, you add 5 liter to this 42,000 liter. So you write the given question. 42 kiloliter 5 liter is equal to 42,000 liter plus you add 5 liter. So that is equal to 42,005 liter. This is your answer. So 42 kiloliter லிட்டரா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த ஆன்சர் கூட ஆல்ரெடி 5 லிட்டர் தான் இருக்கு. 5 வந்து லிட்டர் தான் இருக்கு. So you add 5 liter to that answer. So you will get 42,005 liter. See the second question. 16 kiloliter, 16 kiloliter, 15 liter. So you convert this 16 kiloliter into liter. So you write 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. Therefore 16 kiloliter is equal to 16,000 liter. Next step, you add 15 liter to this 16,000 liter. Okay. So 16 liter, you write the given question. 15 liter is equal to, so instead of 16 kiloliter, you write 16,000 liter plus 15 liter. That is equal to 16,015 liter. It is the answer. Okay children. Next we see the lower units to higher units. Okay. Next we see, we have to convert lower units into higher units. We have to convert lower units into higher units. For that we are going to divide. Okay. So listen here. So first A, convert into kilometers and meters. Convert into kilometers and meters. See, listen, first question, 1200 meter. We have to convert this 1200 meter into kilometer and meter. So for this, listen solution, you all, the formula, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay. So listen, we have to divide the given question, 1200 meter divided by 1000. So we have to divide the given units into 1000. The given 1200 meter divided by 1000. So listen. So if you divide 1200 by 1000, so I told you already, I teach you already, listen. So if you divide number by 10,000 and 100, so the point will move towards left side. So we have 3 zeros in 1000. So the point will move towards left side 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. So the point will come here. Okay. So this one is the quotient. The remaining digits is the remainder. So quotient Q is equal to 1. Remainder is equal to 200. So you write the quotient 1 as kilometer. Okay. So in the quotient 1 kilometer எழுதுங்க. So 1 kilometer அப்படினு எழுதணும். And the remainder 200 meter எழுதணும். So the answer is, I am writing here, answer 1 kilometer 200 meter. So நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம், 1200 மீட்டரை கிலோமீட்டராகவும் மீட்டராகவும் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம். எப்படி, 1 மீட்டர் 200 மீட்டர், 1 கிலோமீட்டர் 200 மீட்டரா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம். அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணோம், we are dividing the given question by 1000. Same procedure followed in the second question. Listen, 9898 meter. So we have to convert this 9898 meter into kilometer and meter. So solution for this, what I told you, we have to divide this 9898 by 1000. So first you write 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Next, 9898 divided by 1000. So the point will move towards 3 place towards the left. If you divide by any number by 1000, the point will move towards left side 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. So the point will come here, the 9.898. So here quotient is 9, remainder is 898. You write the quotient 9 as in kilometer. So 9 kilometer. You write the remainder 898 as meter. This is your answer. So I am writing the answer once again here. So So 9 kilometer 898 meter. So 9898 meter எப்படி கன்வர்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம், கிலோமீட்டராவும் மீட்டராவும் கன்வர்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம். So 9 meter 898 9 kilometer 898 meter. Okay. Similarly, see the second question. Convert into meters and centimeters. Convert into meters and centimeters. First question, 272 centimeter. So solution. So you know the formula. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So you write the given question, 200 centimeter, 272 centimeter. That is equal to, what we have to do is, we have to divide this 272 centimeter by 100. Okay, we have to divide the given 272 centimeter by 100 centimeter. So therefore, if you divide 272 divided by 100 means 100 we have two zeros, the point will move towards two place towards the left side. So the point will come here, 2.72. So 2 is the quotient. So quotient is equal to 2, remainder is equal to 72. Okay, quotient வந்து 2, remainder வந்து 72. So you write the quotient 2 in meter, remainder 72 in centimeter. So therefore the answer is 2 meter 72 centimeter is the answer. So we have, I am writing the answer once again here. 272 centimeter can be written as 2 meter 72 centimeter. Similarly, see the second question. B, 350 centimeters. So solution, the same step, we have to divide 350 centimeter by 100. So 350 divided by 100 means, so the point will come here, 3.50. So quotient is equal to 3, remainder is equal to 50. You write quotient is equal to 3 in meters. So the answer is 3 meter. You write the remainder is equal to 50. No? So you write this 50 in centimeter. So 50 centimeter. This is your answer. Let us see the another sum. Next we see addition of metric measures. Addition of metric measures. So first question, write in columns and solve. So you all know addition. So listen here, the given question is 36 centimeter 5 millimeter plus 42 centimeter 4 millimeter plus 13 centimeter 5 millimeter. The first step we have to write in column and solve. The first step you write the units on top. So what are the units? Centimeter and millimeter. So you write the units on top, centimeter, millimeter. Then you write the numbers correctly. So you write 36 centimeter, write 36 centimeter 5 millimeter plus 42 centimeter 4 millimeter plus 13 centimeter 5 millimeter. So we have to arrange in column and solve. Now you add like ordinary numbers. So you add 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14. So 14 means you write 4, 1 carry over to the next column. Okay. So you add just like ordinary numbers. So now you add 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So you write 2, 1 carry over. Now you add 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is your answer. So answer 92 centimeter, you write the units at last. So 92 centimeter 4 millimeter. This is your answer. See the second question. Subtraction and measurement. Write in column and solve. So same step. Like addition, you write the units on top, kilometer and meter. So you write kilometer, meter. Arrange the numbers. 139, 139, 70, 139 kilometer, you write 139, then 72 meter, minus 100 kilometer, 218 meter, so you write 218 meter, okay. Now, there is no digits here. So what you have to put? You have to put 0. Then write the subtraction symbol minus. You just subtract like ordinary numbers. We cannot subtract 2 minus 8. We have to borrow. So 7 will become 6. This 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Okay. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. We cannot subtract 0 minus 2. So we have to borrow from here. So 9 will become 8. This 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 0 is 8. 3 minus 0 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So your answer is 38 kilometer 554 meter. This is your answer.